Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to Shazam a song on your own phone, in particular an iPhone. All you need to do is go to the Settings app, scroll down to Control Center, and then scroll down until you see the music recognition option. The iPhone has its own inbuilt music recognition software, so even without the Shazam app, you can still find out what song is playing. All you need to do is press the plus. Okay, so what that means is it's been added to your control center. If you swipe down from the top, you'll see the little icon. It's usually going to be the last one since it's the last one I added. And to turn it on, I just need to tap it. Now the music recognition software will be working in the background. So I'm going to test it with Instagram. I'm going to test it with a reel. And I'm going to mute the song itself because of copyright, but I will show you how it works anyway. If the little icon in your control center is turned off, all you need to do is turn it back on to recognize the next song that you want identified. Thank you for watching. Bye.